Look at me now. Itago natin dito. Ay, hindi masara. Hindi masara, guys. Hampi-dampi, hampi. Abukiking, abukiking, abukiking-king. Yun, meron na tayong 10 viewers. Welcome back, guys. And I'm cooking here the foods that yummy, yummy. And of course, it's yummy, yummy. It's yummy, yummy, and yummy, 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 yummy. You like my foods? Chicken. And look at the vegetable, guys. Look. Wow! And meron tayong papaya. And meron tayong sayote. Ayan. Lagay ko na lahat, guys, ang gusto kong gulay, no? Kasi gusto kong kumain ng maraming gulay. I like vegetables. So this is beans. No? I like beans. Iba tong tinula ko, guys, kasi may halo siyang beans. Gusto ko siyang haluan ng gusto kong gulay. No? Para healthy tayo palagi, no? So, pagpatin lang natin to kahit wala tayong viewers. You know, guys, sometimes my live is not notified to anybody. That's why you need to hit the notification bell so that you will notify anytime that I have upload video or live streaming. Especially. Or anyway, guys, if you like to watch more videos exclusive, you can join in my membership, the Patreon, and my... Meron akong halo na ano. Nasaan yung ano? Nalagyan ko siya ng ano. Hindi sila marunong magluto, guys, ng sarap-sarap na tinola. Pero ako, ang sarap ko magluto ng tinola, no? Ito po mayroong tanglad. Kukuluan mo siya sa tanglad, guys. Nagalan ko na siya ng untot. Yeah. Anyway, parang iba na amoy ng tanglad. Kukuluan ko siya sa maraming tanglad. Lalagyan ko siya ng maraming tubig. Para hanggang mamaya yan ng hapon, ng gabi. Amimiya, ha, ha, amimiya.